Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Thanks for watching. Well, I've got you here. Join me over on Instagram to see the beast of a vase. That was the reason that I finally made myself a steady rest. Also, shout out to Inventables. I used the Inventables x-carve CNC to cut out most of the pieces for this project. It's a perfect project for that CNC where I wanted some fairly simple cuts, but repetitive and very accurate. Link to that machine is down below. I'll also include a link to the easel software that I used for the drawings and to drive the CNC, as well as the bit that I used to cut all the material. Now, if you want to build one of these for yourself, I do have plans available on my website. I will also link that down below. And if you want to learn more about my headphones, IsoTunes Pro 2.0, link for those as well is down below. So the main feature behind my design is how it's collapsible. It makes it easier to get on and off the lathe, but most importantly, for storage. It takes up almost half as much space, and every inch counts. And because of the flat tire shape on the bottom, I'm able to get larger diameter pieces inside the steady rest compared to if it was a full circle. With my 16-inch lathe, I'm able to get a 12-inch diameter piece inside of there. And also there's 9 different arm locations around the ring, so depending on what you're turning and how much support you need, you can adjust that as needed. Using just 3 arms gets you a really small diameter for spindle work. I hope you'll subscribe. This is basically an introduction to the next video, which I'll show you the whole process behind that crazy vase that I'm currently working on finished sanding over there. Should only take me about another month or so of sanding, so see you then.